TECHNI-PRINT HS heat transfer paper from Neenah Coldenhove allows you to make and sell hard surface items even if you have a laser printer, as the paper can be used to transfer an image to almost any hard surface. Plus, polyester-coated blanks are not required, so your possibilities are endless. TECHNI-PRINT HS heat transfer paper is designed to run on oil or oilless laser printers and copiers. Neenah Coldenhove recommends using the Oeko data laser printers for the best results. Before you print, you need to load the gray back printed sheet so that the image will appear on the coated side of the paper. To get started with the TECHNI-PRINT HS, you want to print the image in reverse or a mirrored format using your printer's heavy paper setting to ensure that the toner fuses to the transfer paper. Feed the TECHNI-PRINT HS paper into your copier or printer first. Depending on the type of heat press you are using, you'll have different settings and steps. To transfer your image using a heat press for flat hard surfaces, start by cutting the paper to fit the material that you are using. Next, you want to ensure that the material surface is clean and debris-free. Once the surface is clean, place your image onto the material chosen and place inside a press. After positioning the transfer the way you want on the press, cover the material with a 1/4-inch silicone rubber pad. You may gang the items to be transferred across the press to gain efficiency. For most materials, you will press for 8 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius using 30 psi or 2 bar of pressure. If you are transferring to acrylic plastic, you will press for 8 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius using 30 psi or 2 bar of pressure. And if you are transferring to glass, you will press for 8 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 230 degrees Celsius using 30 psi or 2 bar of pressure. For softer items, rubber for example, reduce pressing to 2 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius to 30 psi or 2 bar. Once the heating is complete, you will remove the item from the press and set it aside to cool. Finally, just place your items aside to cool or use a cold surface for faster cooling. Products made by this method are decorative and should not be run through a dishwasher. Hand washing is recommended. As you can see, Neenah Coldenhove's TECHNI-PRINT HS brand heat transfer papers are available for the transfer images to almost any hard surface using your laser printer. TECHNI-PRINT HS brand heat transfer papers can be used on non-poly-coated wood, glass, leather, ceramic, mugs, polyester, metal, acrylic, and foam flip-flops, and more, allowing you to get as creative as your customers need and sell hard surface items when you have a laser printer.